jellyloulouart. Wow, good.
Let's dive into the sweetness of cherries. Ever wonder why they're red? Cherries get their vibrant color from natural pigments called anthocyanins. Can you imagine drawing a sandy cherry? What other colors might you add to make it extra fun? And guess what? Cherries have a little pit inside. Do you know why? It protects the seed, and if you plant it, you might grow your very own cherry tree. Let's explore the creamy world of avocados. Do you know why they're called nature's butter? It's because of their smooth, creamy texture. Avocados turn brown when they're ripe. Interesting, right? Imagine drawing a sandy avocado. What other fruits might you add to create a tasty sandy picnic? And did you know avocados are rich in healthy fats that are good for our bodies? Did you know avocados are berries? It's true, they belong to the berry family. So when you draw a sandy avocado, imagine it as a delicious green berry bursting with creamy goodness, ready to add a fruity twist to our sandy masterpiece. Get ready for a juicy adventure with watermelons. Why are they so refreshing on hot days? Watermelons are about 92% water, keeping us cool and hydrated. Can you picture drawing a sandy watermelon? What colors would you choose to capture its sweetness? And guess what? Those black seeds, they're actually edible. Would you try them? Or do you prefer seedless watermelon? Sprinkle some excitement with sandy blueberries. Ever wonder why they're called superfoods? Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that are super good for us. Imagine drawing a sandy blueberry. What patterns might you add to make it even more delicious looking? And did you know blueberries are one of the few fruits that are naturally blue? They're like little bursts of blue joy in nature.
Wow.
Now let's blend up some sandy magic with a rainbow-colored smoothie. Imagine a blend of juicy red cherry and watermelon, sweet orange oranges, vibrant yellow bananas, ripe green avocado, and blue blueberries. What other colorful fruits can you think of to add to our sandy blender? Mix them up, and voila, a rainbow-colored smoothie full of fruity goodness. Can you taste the sweetness of our sandy creation in your imagination? Let's paint this tasty adventure together in our sandy canvas. time to explore the magical world of our sandy blender. Picture this blender as a green superhero with a secret mission. Inside, it's filled with an army of nutritious green vegetables. Can you guess which veggies are hidden, waiting to be blended into our rainbow smoothie? Spin the sandy blender and imagine the whirring sound as it transforms the greens into a vibrant concoction. What kind of green goodness do you think will add a healthy twist to our rainbow delight? Get ready to blend up a storm and discover the tasty surprise our superhero blender has in store for our sandy adventure. Did you enjoy today's coloring? Eating vegetables and fruits will lead to a healthier and more enjoyable life. See you next time, healthier! Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!